What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. I go by the name of Q. And if you're new here, welcome. If you're a subscriber, I appreciate y'all for tuning in again. And yeah, man, I'm trying to put out more videos. That's the main thing. I'm trying to put out more videos. This video here is probably just gonna be a day in the life, maybe 2 weeks. I don't know how long I'm gonna push this video. Man, if you're new here, I'm all about lifestyle content. Just tune in, man. I'm about to get ready to clean up because I gotta travel to Mississippi. So I'm about to just straighten the house up, man. I've been lacking from cleaning. I haven't been dirty, but I've been lacking of the way that I used to clean. I got an infestation of gnats too. I don't know what the fuck going on. Excuse me. I don't know what's going on with these gnats in Texas, but bro, it's crazy. Anyway, I'm about to just, you know what I'm saying, do some straightening up before I go to the gym. I'm not gonna really deep clean. I leave out in 3 days. So I'm really just straightening up, make sure, you know what I'm saying, I don't have to do a deep clean before I leave, because I always try to leave the house nice and neat. So when I come back, I'll be good, I ain't gotta worry.
But they hate you. You like to put that shit in your nose. I'm so glad I got you here. But I still love you. Doing shit that nobody knows. In the streets they be thinking you a lady, but at home.
I know y'all probably looking at this and like, what the fuck is, I gotta stop cussing. Now I know y'all probably looking at this and like, what is this? But this is a fly trap. This is a fruit fly trap, the gnats, bro. That's how bad it is. I have to have it everywhere. Like I literally have these everywhere in the crib and it's just gnats everywhere, bro. It's bad, man, it's bad. Look, right here. Everywhere, bro. Anyway, I'm gonna give y'all a closet tour one of these days, man. It's just a sneak peek at the closet. Whenever I get right, I'll give y'all a closet tour.
I would rather hang with my thugs. Fuck when you've been draining me out. You know that, you blow that well. Where that throw that. Better kiss it before I go. If you ain't nasty, don't act me. I've been working all day. Like to run the streets in the dark out. Come through and blow your back out. I hope that's okay. I can't leave you alone. No, no.
Damn. Hey. Okay, he don't want to pay attention. Hey, I didn't say eat. I say no. Come here. Sit. Down. Good job. Stay down. All right. Eat. When I start filming, I'm gonna start editing instead of waiting to the end till I film everything and start editing. Because doing everything at one time is such a hassle. The video that I just put out of my LA trip, I went to LA on my birthday. It's about to be August 1st. My birthday was May 30th. So it literally took me 2 months. Of course I had other stuff going on. I was putting out shorts and things of that nature, but man, 2 months? 2 months for me to upload that footage? I finally out. So if you haven't seen that footage, go watch that vlog, man. I put some real time into that. Go watch that vlog. Go like that video. Go tell me what you think about it.
He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak, We keepin' it street. We keepin' it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it cost? It never been cheap. It never been. Turn your click up, dog. Turn 'em up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn 'em up. Turn these streets can't cross it. Cross 'em up. All these streets need bosses. Boss 'em up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn 'em up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn 'em up. Turn these streets can't cross it. Cross 'em up. All these streets need bosses. When my dog get low in his pockets, I'm picking them up. We came from the bottom together, my nigga. We get it. We splitting it up. If my bitch tell me pay for that pussy, I'll take her ass shopping and tell her shut up. Standing on business, standing on bitches ain't nothing to pipe that shit up. It ain't nothing to turn a bitch up. It ain't nothing to turn your click up. Ain't nothing. Shit, we turn the jeweler up. Just look at the diamonds we bust. Look at the people we touch. Shit, I'm feeling like Puffy and Russ. I'm sitting this shit like a toilet, little nigga so nasty I never been flushed. Bulletproof ravers, it came with a kid on it. The subject too light, it kick it, we spin on it. Hundreds of bands, I put a little shit on it. Dope in my hand, I had to go flip on him. He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keepin' it street. We keepin' it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it cost? It never been cheap.
Every Sunday this month and hopefully continuing to do that. But I want to start off the vlog with gym update, which is not anything like crazy like movements. I got this, so I can do like more again endurance training. So I'm gonna do this. And then
I pull up that gym in the trunk. Then I be getting the fun. Like too hard, I know. You like to go slow. Go faster, maybe the faster. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things. Slide, any other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe? What would I do? If I didn't love you, babe? What would I do? If I didn't love you?
and it makes you just not want to open up, but just know that make sure
Wanna give you what you want. I could put you in a mission to run. Right now, tell what you put on. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. You can say what you tell me what you want. I can tell your friends you can do wrong, so you like to go slow. Maybe the faster. Slide, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I be nice things. Slide, any other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get slow, stupid. I know it's gonna make you mad, but what I know, I didn't love you, babe. What would I